In today's economy, investing in real estate is a sound way to ensure your financial security. There are many ways to invest in real estate, and each has its own advantages and disadvantages. There are many ways to invest in real estate. For example, some people invest in rental properties. This is a way to earn income from rents paid by tenants. Other people invest in property for sale, hoping to sell it for a profit later on. Some people invest in commercial real estate, such as office buildings or shopping malls. And finally, some people invest in real estate through REITs or real estate investment trusts. Some of these real estate investments may sound a little confusing. Everyone knows that real estate is a great way to invest your money. However, many people don't know how to start real estate investing. Here are 5 simple ways to invest in real estate. 5. Invest in a real estate ETF. Real estate ETF is an exchange-traded fund that invests in real estate-related assets, such as property and mortgages. As a result, they can provide investors with diversification and stability. 4. Invest in a real estate fund. A real estate fund is a pooled investment vehicle that invests in real estate assets. A fund typically gathers money from a variety of investors and then uses the capital to purchase or finance income-producing real estate assets. The fund will then manage and operate the acquired real estate assets with the goal of generating steady returns for investors. 3. Invest in REITs. A real estate investment trust, REIT, is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate. REITs are typically traded on stock exchanges, and their shares are often included in major market indexes. In order to qualify as a REIT, a company must distribute at least 90% of its taxable income to shareholders annually in the form of dividends. 2. Buy property and rent it out. You probably think this is the #1 way to invest in real estate, but it's not. Since buying a property and renting it out is just as obvious as buying a property and fixing it up, let's get to the #1 way to invest in real estate. I mean, everyone's doing it. Well, kinda. 1. Just purchase a property as your primary residence and live in it until you are ready to move. Since property values should continue to appreciate over time and most mortgages are less than renting a similar-sized property, this should be a win-win. Not just anyone can purchase real estate, that being rental or primary residence, so make sure you have your finances in order. Keep that credit score up.
Woo! Okay, this is our first of hopefully several Fast and Furious videos where we will answer the finance and income questions you all are asking in 3 minutes or less. If you have made it this far in our first Fast and Furious video, please comment first below. This will also confuse everyone in the comments who hasn't watched the video seeing everyone comment first. How in the hell can everybody be first? To all of those who stay to the end of the video, we have a little bonus for you, and we always will. Other ways to invest in real estate are buying a property, fixing it up with a little bit of sweat equity, and sell it for a profit. Investing directly into commercial real estate. Investing in real estate through a company. Invest in property development. Purchase land, hold land, and then sell that land. And finally, Airbnb, baby. Do you have what it takes to be an Airbnb host? As you can see here on the screen, you can get creative with Airbnb properties. And my 3 minutes are up. Bye! As you can see, sometimes our Fast and Furious segments can go over 3 minutes, but we will try our best not to. Thank you.